All right, folks, I'm going to walk you guys around. So let's get a look at this. Raft house is what they call. Got two attached. They got the what we would call a boardwalk, and then they got the house attached to it. And there's a 2x2 in each one of the buildings. Now look at the mountain scenery in the back. Let me see if I can get this up for you a little bit higher. See that? Up, starting to get buzzed by the bugs. All right, so let's get ahead and get you on down to my place. Everybody's settled into those old hot rooms. I'm letting mine get cooled down. Here's one of the guys on the tour. He is from the UK. I'm gonna go down to the end, and then I'm gonna double back. I'm in 143. This is my room right there. Okay. You guys remember this from the James Bond movie? There you go. How about that bad boy right there? All right, let's get you in the room. Oh, 145. Well, bro. All right, this is it. Here's my view. Must be some kind of emergency lamp right there. I didn't even check the shower accommodations. Let's see what we got here. All right, this will get the job done for me. I get up and pee all night. Oh, it's a little soft right there. And let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's pretty well maintained. Got the hook. All right, let's see what's out this door here. Oh, shook it. Now look at this. You guys sit out here with me for a hot minute. Let me see if I can get this thing situated. Had to undo the latch there. But look at this. Not bad for retirement under with 400K, huh? Looking pretty good. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna let you guys watch the water. I'm gonna sit here for a hot minute, and then I'm gonna get this uploaded to you. Man, it's a fast moving water. John here, Elton's retirement journey on travel, on the travel segment. 6 months into retirement. Technically, let's see, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, that's 6 months. So we got 2 vacations, actually 3. So we did the Germany tour in October, and I just came from Europe. That was with Gate 1 travel. We did Amsterdam, Brussels, Bruges, and Paris, and I went to Normandy. There's some videos out for that. And this is, I added this on as a optional tour with G Adventures, and I booked my flight from Paris all the way to Bangkok, and I got a 2-month visa access, and I'm thinking I'll just stay here until my money gets down to a certain level. Just go on back. If I charge up $1,000 or $1,500, I got options. I could either just pay it off with the funds from the Federal Reserve of John, all that cash that I've been saving up, or I could put it on a 0% credit card and just pay it off for 15 months at $100 a month, 0%, whatever I want to do to preserve my cash. But this is it, man. I can't believe it. This is also a pilot of what I'm going to be doing when I take the Grand Asian Tour in 2 years. Once I collect Social Security, I'm gone. But anyway, I'm going to put together some topics about retirement and what I did to get to the point where I could do this in such a short year. The anniversary of this channel is going to be April 24th, 2 years. And I did not plan on retiring early. I kind of like worked my way into it, but it's going really, really good. So it's worth sticking around and hanging out with me, because we got more tours to go. This is the first day of the Bangkok to Chiang Mai Express, I think is what it's called, and it's over at GAdventures.com. All right, thanks.